Sumilia. I'm from AIA Campus Pop 5. Today I talk about take control of your cash flow. Today I want to talk to you about something super important that will affect your future and its money and more, especially cash flow. You must think that if you just make more money or your money problem will disappear, but according to Robert Kiyosaki, that's not true. He said more money will not solve the problem, it's cash flow. Money is the problem. In simple terms, if you don't know how to make your money, earning more than costly make things cost. So what cash flow? Cash flow is the money that comes in, the money that goes out. If money is go out, the coming in. You have problem no matter how much you earn. Let's talk about asset and liability. And asset is something you own that have value. If you can have you finally resell or investment. Liability is money you want, like loan and debt. An interesting idea. Every time you have liability, you are someone else's asset. That means you debt is someone else's income. Now let's talk about good debt and bad debt. Good debt is debt that someone else pay for you. For example, when investment have pay off the loan. Bad debt is debt you pay for with your own handwork, like buying something you don't really need and struggling to pay them off. Here's a big warning. When people get more money, often spend more to get into this deposit. That's why someone problem is a lot, but still fail can. So what so you do? Start pay after you how to make your money, learn where your income come from and how you spend it. Understanding this number gives you power over your financial future. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how will you make it. Thank you.